Okay, so I'm gonna fly a quick mission right here and
Take off. The home port has been updated.
inspect
Please check it on the map.
cell phone tower just so I can get that badge from drone up. I actually don't remember what altitude this mobile phone tower reaches, but I think it's close to 200 feet because I was flying at about 200 feet and I was like really close to it. And I really hope that I am able to take these pictures without really okay, so that's one. And I'll probably take about a dozen pictures, maybe less. Again, DJI Mavic 2 Pro is excellent for something like this because of the 1-inch sensor and the 20 megapixel camera. So when you look at these photos later on, I mean, you can see the really good detail. And of course you gotta keep your distance, be careful. Because I really want to start inspecting cell phone towers, because I think that would be interesting task to do. I can only imagine what people did in the past. I mean, I'm guessing they didn't really have to climb these to inspect them, but man, this probably had to be a huge pain in the behind. To maintain these. So now I'm just gonna go a little higher. Keep it in the center. I mean, can you imagine how huge these towers are if I'm 23 feet away and it looks this big? And that's probably everything inspection would entail. Just take lots of pictures from different angles so an engineer can later take a look at it and be like, huh, I guess we may have a problem right there, or everything seems to be in order. So it's just one of those things. And hop on my pictures and I'm done. And as you can see, I mean, this is really involved. This tower is not far away from me, and just in the process of taking pictures, I am already at 64% battery. Of course, I need to mention that it's really hot outside, so the battery, because of the temperature outside, is gonna deplete much faster. Okay, I'm done. So now I'm gonna head back, which is I'm right here in the shade. Once again, I am flying in Class G airspace. I'm even wearing my bright neon green vest and shorts because it's Florida. But that's it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.